Hello dear, if you encounter any issues, feel free to email us. We've got you covered. Prepare a hot glue gun, a few glue sticks, and 3 new AA batteries yourself. There should be instructions, a light string, and foam boards in the box. Pop out all the holes on the base. Now, we need to glue all the scored lines on the base. Please pay attention to the amount of glue used to ensure aesthetics, especially on the front side. Firstly, glue the scored lines on the front side. Wait till cool and dry. Flip it over and glue the rest on the back side. Before assembling the sides, please bend them naturally following the scoring lines to make a smooth curve. Match the marked numbers on the base and the sides. Insert the tabs. Marked numbers should be almost invisible from the front after assembling correctly. Finish all the sides in the same way. Turn it over to the back side and glue. Glue small segments each time and press for about 30 seconds till it dries. Don't forget the gaps between the sides. Glue the scored lines on the 2 back stands. Match numbers and inserts. Glue all the gaps to make sure sturdy enough. Follow this sequence to screw the light bulbs. Keep battery box on the bottom. If you are an event planner, post your wonderful inspiration and mention us to boost your business.